Okay, awesome. We are officially live. Okay, awesome. People are going to join any moment here, maybe a few minutes. But people are going to watch this live later. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, this is a live stream on my channel. I have my awesome client here, Michael, who's been a client for some years, I believe, and we pretty much did some work on his file. Then he came back for us to do a little bit more work. Michael's going to explain everything. And the reason why we're showing you these lives every week is to show you guys what we're about, the results that we get our clients, and just the experience of what it's like to work with me. Because we have two programs, the Fast Track Elite program, which is a budget program. I don't work with you one-on-one, but I still work to dispute items on your file. And then you can hire me personally, which comes with personalized, mentorship and guidance to scale your credit and get all the best credit cards and to manage your credit properly, and also tackle the difficult things on your credit. So, Michael, go ahead and take the floor and spill the beans.
Sure. So, a couple of years ago, before I called Pinnacle, I had some issues. I had a divorce, and a lot of things popped up on my credit. And I actually had a credit repair company many, many years ago, and I knew what to look for specifically. Obviously there's going to be scams out there and people that are just going to be kind of like paper mills and not really doing much for clients. But specifically Pinnacle, when I reached out, gave me a great price, which is, obviously when you're hurting and your credit's really low. I think my credit was in the 500s, really, really not good. Maybe even lower. I'm not sure. It was pretty bad. We had so many marks and derogatory things on our credit, and these guys were able to take everything off except for just a couple. And I think the reason there was a couple is because something from previous years had popped up again from the credit bureaus. I'm not exactly sure, but anyways, there were so many things that were derogatory, and the accounts were not good. And me and my wife were looking at our accounts just a couple days ago and realized that, oh my gosh, there's nothing really bad on our credit hardly anymore. And if it weren't for Pinnacle, we would not be able to have a place to live at. We wouldn't be able to get a car. It's been a really actually great experience, and the transparency honestly was nice for me. I can ask any question and I can get a solid answer, and it's going to be verifiable for me. I'm kind of a stickler for details, so I watch for things. So I think that's the best way I can explain my experience so far, and the reason why I called you guys back, is because of the results. This is this kind of thing is, you need results. If you have credit issues, you need results. You can't just pay people and then they arbitrarily just do nothing for you. So this is a results thing for me, and I wouldn't even be getting on this call unless there were massive results. So that's kind of where I stand with it, and that's been my experience, and that's why we're doing some business again. Needs a little bit of help so we can get a house here within the next year. So that's what we're looking forward to.
Awesome. Perfect. Thank you for that. Yeah. So Michael owned a credit repair company before. So guys, like I said, he's not the only credit expert or experienced professional that has reached out to me. I have actually thousands of credit experts from various companies hire me and collaborate with me. I don't collaborate with them because I pretty much have mastered it, but they come to me and learn, the sauce. And other people come to just actually fix their stuff. So that's just basically another, client case study. People are working with us because, we get results, and it's tough to get results. A lot of pressure on me. We don't have much time. I have to end this live because of Michael. He's on his lunch break. Otherwise, we'd love to chop it up. But, this is the second or third testimony we've had in the past couple of days. I just want you guys to, take it for what it is. This is my client, Michael, his experience. He signed up to hire me personally for, over thousands of dollars. Now he's signing back up, him and his wife. So he's, renewing people, my clients are renewing from years ago. And that's just to tell you, if we were a scam or anything of the sort, we wouldn't be able to bring these people on the channel. He's not an actor. He's a working professional like myself. These are real case studies. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you so much, Michael, for hopping on the live. We have to cut it short. I know I don't want to take too much of your lunch break. And this content is for you guys. This live is for you. I know you guys might be on the fence. Check out the recent lives that we did with Jill Beeler, Sophia, Bobby, and also Zaid Abdul. And Kareem is coming on the channel pretty soon. He's busy traveling around the country doing trucking. So with that being said, thank you, Michael. And I hope to work with you soon, whoever you are watching this. Take it easy.
All right. Thank you, sir.